How to find account ownership and control on your Facebook Messenger app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your ownership and control on your setting on Facebook Messenger app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger, click on it. Now click on your profile, scroll down and click on account setting. Now scroll down again until you find your information. You can view or download your information and delete your account at any time. Click on the first option and it's account ownership and control, and here you can manage your data, modify your legacy, contact or delete your account and more. So this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.